A23a was moving to the southeast along the island shelf of South Georgia Island on March 1, 2025. This is a false color image observed by visible infrared radiometer suites on Suomi NPP, NOAA 20 and 21. The snow and ice on the surface, and snow crystals in the clouds are colored yellow. The water particles in the clouds are colored white with a band combination of visible infrared radiometer suites. The Level 0 data were provided by NOAA Comprehensive Large Array Data Stewardship System. On February 23, A23a was pushed to the northeast by the Antarctic Circumpolar Current at the speed of 31 km per day. On February 24, A23a was pushed further to the northeast at the speed of 32 km per day. On February 25, A23a was stranded on the island shelf of 300-meter depth. The speed went down to 24 km per day. On February 26, A23a was pushed to the east with counterclockwise rotation at the speed of 12 km per day. Some portions of A23a were pushed to shallower depths than 300 meters. On February 27, A23a was pushed to the southeast at the speed of 12 km per day with continuous counterclockwise rotation. On February 28, A23a was pushed to the southeast at the speed of 10 km per day, which may depend on the bottom structure of A23a. On March 1, A23a was pushed to the southeast at the speed of 3 km per day and was getting almost stational. The location of A23a was displayed with a polygon and on the topography map. It is clear that the South Georgia Island is protected by the island shelf shallower than 300 meters. The strong Antarctic Circumpolar Current pushed A23a at the speed around 30 kilometers per day. A23a was stranded on the island shelf on February 25. But the Antarctic Circumpolar Current kept pushing A23a furthermore. Although it depends on the bottom shape of A23a, some shallow portion could ride on the island shelf. The Antarctic Circumpolar Current tried to push A23a, and A23a exhibited the counterclockwise rotation with touching on the island shelf. On March 1, the speed of A23a went down to 3 km per day. Let me check the wildlife on South Georgia Island could be affected by the iceberg. There was a survey on the site of South Georgia GIS and on scientific reports. Chinstrap penguins make colonies on some limited area of South Georgia Island indicated by the yellow circles. They have a strap-like pattern on their chins. The height and weight of chinstrap go to 70 centimeters and 3.5 to 5.0 kilograms respectively. They prey on krill and smaller amounts of fish. Macaroni penguins make some colonies around South Georgia Island indicated by the orange circles. They have yellow hairs on their head. The height and weight of macaroni go to 70 centimeters and 3.1 to 5.0 kilograms respectively. They prey on shellfish, lanternfish, krill, and squid. Genta penguins make colonies on all the beaches of South Georgia Island indicated by pink circles. They have a white patch on their head. The height and weight of genta go to 51 to 90 centimeters and 5 to 8 kilograms respectively. They prey on shellfish and squid. King penguins make colonies in some limited areas of South Georgia Islands indicated by red circles. They have bright orange patches on the sides of the neck and throat. The height and weight of king go to 90 centimeters and 15 to 16 kilograms respectively. They prey on lanternfish, icefish, or shellfish. Fur seals organize harems mainly on the coast of the Southern Ocean indicated by gray circles. The length and weight go to 1.3 to 2 meters and 25 to 210 kilograms. In the South Georgia Island, the mackerel icefish is the main prey. They may also prey on some smaller penguins. Elephant seals organize harems around South Georgia indicated by black circles. The length and weight of elephant seals go to 3.6 to 6 meters and 2.5 to 3 tons. Their favorite foods are skates, rays, squid, octopuses, eels, small sharks, and large fish. This map shows major wildlife in South Georgia. These colonies and habitats will be affected by icebergs when they cover the ocean near or by the beach. As some wildlife keep colonies or habitats on the coast along the Southern Ocean, There could be a different influence by the side and species. This is a track of A23a from Larsen Sea ice shelf in July 2017. A23a was also a giant iceberg of which the area was 5,800 square kilometers. Major fragments of A23a had disappeared by April 2021. A23a was also close to South Georgia Island, but drifted to the southeast along the island shelf. A23a has a possibility of drifting track as well as A23a along the island shelf. But there is a possibility that fragmentation may affect the wildlife of South Georgia Island.